How are you?
Great.
You're only 4 years old?
Yes.
You know every bone in the human body?
Yes.
Yeah, don't you? No. How do you know that?
My mama taught me.
Did she?
Yes.
Give me some facts. How many bones are in my hand?
54.
I'm gonna test you, okay?
Say.
What is this right here?
The pelvis. It's the only bone in the body that's gender specific, which means it's different in boys and girls.
Is it?
Yes. The pelvis's job to protect the organs used for digesting and reproduction, which means growing babies.